I'm Andrew Cresswell. I'm the Assistant Director for Support Services in Powys Teaching Health Board. And we're here today at Bronllys Hospital to mark the first National Healthcare Estates and Facilities Day.
We've decided amongst the facilities team to run a competition to reproduce the Jubilee pudding, replicate it as close as we can to the one presented to Her Majesty the Queen during the celebrations. The reason why we've chosen this, although it may on the face of it appear to be quite straightforward, all the component parts of this trifle are made from scratch. So there's nothing bought in, they're all raw ingredients, and so they have to take the time to make the amaretti biscuits, take the time to make their own version of the jelly, make their own version of the Swiss roll and the filling within that. So there's quite a lot of craft skill required to develop that, and it's good to see that all the sites stepped forward and put together a nice entry into this competition.
This challenge has been a really good way to showcase the skills of our catering teams and to create the Jubilee pudding for National Estates and Facilities Day. There's a great pride in that, and I'm looking forward to see the results of the competition.
We provide more catering, more cooking and catering from scratch, from ingredients, probably than any other health board in Wales. And we believe that the quality of the service and the food that our kitchens provide is a major contributor to good patient experience and good clinical outcomes.
We are the Brecon teams. We feel very honoured to participate to Jubilee Trifle Pudding competitions.
Mae wedi bod yn bleser mawr cael bod yn rhan o'r Cystadleuaeth hon I greu ein Pwdin Jiwbilî yn hunain. Mae wedi bod yn wych gweithio gyda'r tîm ym Machynlleth ac I fod yma heddiw ar ddangos y sgiliau o fewn ein tîm arlwyo ni.
Each of them was actually very nice indeed, and we would quite happily have eaten any of them. So thank you all for that. But this was a competition type thing where we had to try to say, well, you know, which ones have managed to create the whole of the component parts. So we worked pretty hard on that, and we have come up with 2 that scored exactly the same points. And we're not going to do that, we have to eat them again because I can't do that. But two that have scored exactly the same points. And so I don't even, so I'm going to just say the number. And Wayne, are you alright to turn over the page? Yeah. The first one that scored the very high points is entry number 4, which is fantastic. And the other one that scored the same number of points was Team 5.